welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today with an unboxing. I had left my email on the Louis Vuitton site for a certain bracelet. They didn't have it in my size, and I didn't expect to hear anything back this quickly, but I did. So I went ahead and ordered it before it was sold out again in my size, because I have a very small wrist that I'm working with here. So here's the box. It came yesterday. I'll just rip this puppy open. I like how these smaller boxes now just have the little rip across. Much easier to open. And then of course it has the LV right there. Here's the box. Here's the card. It's a nice extra thick mail order card because I'm ordering through my CA's links these days. So I love these little bags. What do you do with your little bags? Do you store your stuff in there, or do you do something else with them? Because I have a collection. Sometimes I use them when I travel to put jewelry in, but I don't know what other people do with them. If you have any creative ideas, leave them below. I told you, I'm lock crazy. So here we go. This looks like my gold one. And that's what I wanted. An LV lock bracelet in the leather. Here's the back side. So that's how you connect, is like that. Oh my God, I love it. I wanted this one so bad. I was so angry that it was not in my size. So I am super happy now because it can go with its sister on my wrist, or I can mix it with other bracelets that I have. So these aren't very spendy, but it's nice to have leather, and I love the lock with the LV on it. It's just nice and subtle, and like I said, I have a lot of lock items now. I'm going lock crazy this year, so it's going to go with a lot of stuff, and I really enjoy it just as much as I enjoy like the LV monogram look. So that's my new thing. But yeah, that's what I got. If you've gotten anything lately, let me know, or link your video below, and I'd love to see it. Yes, I'm still shopping, but I am at home dressed from the waist up with pajama bottoms on and slippers and my fire going. So I'm gonna get a few videos done today, so I will see you in my next video.